Okay, I just got home from work. My face is super greasy because it's hot. But I wanted to show you guys the Dollar Tree products I was talking about that I just started using Dollar Tree products maybe about a month and a half ago. I wanted to use them long enough to see if they would make my skin react and if they were actually working. And so far, I've been able to replace lots of my skincare products. So the first thing I want to show you is the BPure Makeup Removing Cleanser Oil. I was able to replace the cleansing oil that I was using. This hard candy makeup remover spray. This is from Walmart. So what you would do is just spray it on your face, let it sit for a second, and then you're supposed to wipe it off. First of all, this smells terrible. It smells so bad. I hated it immediately. So I stopped using this and I'm like, but I like the idea of a gel to remove makeup. I'm not gonna, that's actually a backup that I got. So what I'm gonna do with this one instead is put a few drops on, rub it in a little bit and let it sit, and then I wipe it off with one of these reusable makeup pads. So this is like a cotton pad, but it's reusable. You can just wash it. So I take some micellar water. It's got a new micellar water from Dollar Tree that I haven't tried yet, and I put it in an old foaming soap bottle. That way I can just squirt it on there. All right, so this is the BPure cleansing oil. So I'm gonna put a few drops. I don't want it to get on my clothes. Do not open your eyes or your mouth, apparently. I like to focus some on my eyes. I hope I'm still on camera frame. Focus it on my eye makeup, my mascara. I don't have eye makeup, but my mascara and my eyebrows. So I knew that this worked better when it took off the gel from my eyebrows, because I got that from Dollar Tree and it's like freaking cement. So once I wipe this off, it'll come off. All right, so now that that's all over my face, I always put a little bit of water on my reusable sponge first. You see I already got makeup on my hand on it. So I just put a couple pumps on it and then I wipe away. This is just sensitive skin micellar water. You see, took that stuff right off of my eyebrow in here. And that stuff was not coming off with just cleanser, for sure. I wipe my whole face with this. Oh my God. I hope I'm not scaring anybody with my no makeup face. Alright, and then I just rinse it off and I do it again, and then I cleanse my face for a second time. I have heard from the dermatologist that I've watched that you're not supposed to use micellar water as a final step. Like right now, the cleanser that I'm using, so you have to change your, I won't say you, because I'm not an expert and I'm not telling you what to do, but I know that I have to change my skincare slowly. So if I'm changing one thing, I can only see out of one eye right now. My contact got lost. Anyway, so I only change one thing at a time. So right now I'm still using my Calm and Restore Nourishing Oat Cleanser. And this is for sensitive skin, so it has like nothing in it. Like it literally doesn't even lather. I'll show you. I just wet my face and then I get a pump of it. It doesn't even lather. But that's because I need something gentle. I've tried so many other things. I should show you a stack of all the face washes I have. I pay no more than $15 for any one skincare or makeup product that I use. If it costs more than that, I only buy it when it's on sale. Then I just take a regular old Costco paper towel and blot my face. Alright, so if you guys want to see more of the process, I just wanted to make sure you caught me while I was wearing makeup so you could see how easily that took it off. So next step will be toner and all that good stuff, but I'll come back with another video to show you those steps if you guys are interested in the Dollar Tree product, to show you it in action. So the oil again is the BPure Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil with jojoba and rose oil. $1.25. And I was really worried about this because I thought with the oils in it that, does it make sense? I thought that it would break me out. It hasn't. I have bumps here.
Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. I don't even know you.
Really, my skincare thing that I'm focusing on is my dark circles. Most of that is because I never sleep. And then I have some hyperpigmentation here. There's not a single hair up there, I'm sure, but it looks like it. Pretty much that's it that I care about. And this right here,
Jesus Christ.
I don't think that's ever gonna go away. I had a mole here before and it was removed. So that's probably never gonna go away. This right here is from the weight of my glasses, and that's probably never gonna go away either. But what I can control, I will try. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Have you ever tried this oil? Have you tried another cleansing oil? I'm trying to transition to all Dollar Tree products. I might be able to, I might not, but I'm trying to finish everything that I have.